Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro. And to do this you'll need to open your Google Play Store. Right here find the Firefox. It was already open, but simply enter it in a search pool and right here click on install. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Now customize it by changing a theme. You can also switch a toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization between other devices or browsers, change the privacy settings, read the privacy notice and click on start browsing. Here open any website and as you can see the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.